The Southern Times newspaper targets to cater for all 15 countries in the Southern African Development Community (SADC), in spite of the language differences among citizens in the region. Southern Times board chairperson Tara Shanika said this on Tuesday during a meeting between that board members and its stakeholders, the governments of Namibia and Zimbabwe, represented by Namibian Minister of Information and Communication Technology Joel Kapanda and the Deputy Minister of Information, Media and Broadcasting Services of Zimbabwe, Super Mandiwanzira. The regional weekly newspaper was founded in 2004 by the aforesaid governments, aimed to give a platform to African voices and telling the African story in the African way.
We want to reach each and every citizen of SADC as far as possible. At least each one should have access to certain times. That is the idea, the whole the vision. But of course we are challenged by a couple of things. One of them is the language barrier. Not all of us speak English. We publish in English. There are those that speak French, others speak Portuguese. And these three languages, English, Portuguese, French, are official languages in SADC. Perhaps if we become truly regional 100%, we probably need to publish them in all three languages. But we know that that is an ultimate goal which we cannot talk of achieving now this year or tomorrow, but that's a goal that we can work towards in the long term.
After the meeting, Kapanda and Mandiwanzira paid a visit to various Namibian media houses, including the Namibia Press Agency (NAMPA), New Era Publications, and the Namibian Broadcasting Corporation (NBC). Meanwhile, the publication celebrated its 10th anniversary during a gala dinner in the capital on Wednesday evening.